Today, my friends, hello, I'm going to present you something. I don't know a lot about this, but it's here in Cyprus, and somebody explained me a lot. Have a lot of legend. Somebody like some gang, they're staying here, and they are when you pass from here, is going to attack you. A lot of legend, but not these problems. Too many children here. They're coming with the school bus, school in the back. But I'm almost travel almost all the Cyprus, but I don't find this kind of relief. Now I'm going to show you. Look at it. What the heck is this? It's so different, and down here is more like European mountain, Carpathian mountain, Alp mountain. Here, never ever I don't find this kind. Look at it. It's like from another. And down there, children, forest is place for camping, but not to camping. See, you'll see. We'll investigate later. They say they're passing from here, and when you pass from here, decades before, they attack you. They're waiting here and stop. They attack, and they're going in the forest. They have a little forest. Look at that view. It's amazing. Look at that trail there down. It's like it's not real. Look at what the heck is that? It's like from another space here. I don't see this kind of relief in Cyprus. It's amazing. It's like this area they're putting from another place they're putting here. Wow, it's huge. I know the camera they show, but it's huge, huge, huge. Us are like ants for this. Look at that. Huge, huge. And down there, that is the children now. They're coming to school. I don't know what they're doing. Look at it. Look at it. It's unbelievable. And the bandits, so they are robbery. They're staying maybe there. Interesting to go there to check. Maybe they still find something, or they're hiding the value of their ticket from somebody. And yes, interesting to explore this, but also dangerous. Look at it. Look how little stay they're going to fill down the street. It's dangerous. Little one earthquake. Yesterday they were having 2 earthquakes. Now they are little earthquake. This is going down. Look at it. It's crack a lot. It's dangerous. Need authority to do something. Yeah. And that is going down the forest. Look, in there is okay. You go there again, Cyprus. Here, only this valley, this spot here, it's like it's not Cyprus. Interessant. The rocks of Champollion. She have the French name. Maybe they are putting from the French, and they have French ruler, the Cyprus. And they are putting. I want to try to see what also that you have one small river here. I see. They have small river. You will see what about. Oh, it's closed the road. Oh, it's closing the road here. It's only vegetable. It's not good road. What I choose. It's not this road. Oh, this is the road. Now this is another. There are the children there. This is not the road. This is not the road. Where are you going? Huh? The road? I don't think so. I'll try from here, but it's dangerous. Snakes. Oh, animal. Oh. Where are you going? Smell real forest. I think not feel the smell. Some motorbike. They're coming. Oh. Bandits. Now they're routing. Look the river. Look the river. First time I see a river on the Cyprus. But have also look, river, trees, rocks. This is not Cyprus, man. Sorry, but this is not Cyprus. Look at what is this. Like it's from something Predator jungle movie. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I want to go more down, but I don't know how. But what can I do more down than this? Nothing. Look, I'll show you because this camera don't have the zoom. But you see it, huh? Look. Unbelievable. This is what? Rocks of Champollion. Champollion. Interessant. Interesting. And now we put like that for the can catch rocks on the back for one nice thumbnail. Oh my friend, if you travel you're going to find a lot things that is you don't imagine it exists. Look, this kind of tree in Cyprus not exist, I think. But here they have humidity, they have strange. Very strange. This humidity, this smell. Long time I don't smell. Okay, my friends. See you in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share. Subscribe, like, share. To see another things beautiful. Wherever I go and I find something, I'm going to share. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye.